Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary. In this video I'm going to explain to you what's been going on and why I haven't been supporting all my friends, family and viewers.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Alright, so we moved over here from the other place that we live in the Arupa Valley, and the move went pretty good, except of that the movers lost all our pots and pans and about half our dishes. You know, when you're only going to get 60 cents on the pound, it's almost not even worth worrying about it. But we haven't purchased any new pots and pans yet. We've just been dealing with what we have at home.
The past 6 months, I've barely been able to take care of my subscribers, my friends, my family's videos. I am not here. So when my mother died, originally I had vertigo for about 3.5 months, and it went away. I went back to yoga, things were good. When we moved from the old place that we used to live in Arupa Valley to the new place now in the 55 plus community we now live, the vertigo came back. Partially because there was so much stress in the transition from one house to the next, and partially because my wife has been sick, sicker than usual, and all of it has given me so much stress that my vertigo came back. There's only one cure for vertigo that the doctors are willing to tell you, and it's called Overt, which I buy a knockoff at the pharmacy, basically Dramamine. And that's given me the ability to sleep at night. Okay, so that explains a little bit. Now by now you'll have seen all the details about what is vertigo and how difficult it can be to survive under those circumstances. So if you're a regular subscriber of me, please be patient. I will go back and support your videos, and I will come up with some new videos, but it's going to take time. I'm reintroducing some of my old videos just to keep the channel open rather than closing it, and that's what's happening. So you'll be seeing older videos that you've probably seen before, and new subscribers, you haven't seen these videos, so it's just going to be a past life that I had at the other place in Arupa Valley. I hope you all understand this until I get my act in order, until my vertigo and my dizziness. So what happens is at night I had the vertigo because I'm tossing and turning in bed like I always do. And the room spins, and it's a free carnival ride for an hour or so, and that raises up my blood pressure and my heartbeat, and it's been a thrill. I don't recommend it on anybody. And in the daytime, because I've had the vertigo at night, I'm dizzy most of the days. I don't drive when I'm dizzy or by vertigo. That being said, I do yoga. So it turns out the yoga, I do hot yoga, has helped tremendously in getting stronger, having more balance, this kind of stuff. And so there's some things I don't do in yoga. For example, I don't rock back and forth. I'm very careful if I have to lay my right ear on the ground. There's some poses that you have to do, stretching, that you have to do that. Things like poses like that, stretches like that. But for the most part, I'm able to enjoy myself and be free and happy and share myself with my friends, my yoga friends. Nobody knows that I have this vertigo. I've told a few of my yoga teachers, and there's very little they can do. What they tell you is you can be more grounded, which is basically what happens when I have vertigo. I'm as grounded as you can imagine. So that's what's happening. We are finally moved in completely in our home, and we're still doing some changes like cabinetries, because in this 2-bedroom house community, there's no storage. And it's a matter of learning how to reassemble everything. And remember, we have 2 giant bedrooms. We have 2 giant homes that we've put together into a small 2-bedroom. And though I've given away a lot of my mother's furniture and so forth, we still have a lot. I will show you an upgraded home eventually when things are a little bit better. I am going to introduce you some more breads, bread maker breads, and interesting summer recipes coming soon. But right now it's just a hardship to just try to be able to get on the computer and maintain. So that's the excuse I have. Vertigo and Dizziness. A wonderful free ride combination. You don't have to go to an amusement park. You can do this at home, have a free ride. All right, thanks a lot for watching me, supporting me, and understanding. And I promise, I started looking at some people's creators' videos yesterday, today, and I'll be doing this all week long so I can catch up and try to support the people who are still subscribed to me. Okay, so thanks a lot from Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary, and I'm always looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye now. One little note. So when you move, things get jostled. And I lost my Manfrotto tripod, like $300 for my mom. It just grew feet and left. So then I bought another one, a much lighter version, and it's damaged. I'm trying to figure out what to do about that. It just, I never seem to get one thing right. But anyway, these are some of the things we're dealing with. Right now the camera is sitting, the $2,000 camera is sitting on a cheap piece of junk tripod that probably cost all of $5, just so I can shoot a video and explain to you the situation. Okay, no more excuses. We're gonna try our best and move forward.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.